Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make some super easy and delicious ground beef and chorizo tacos. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for the recipe we're going to need 1.5 pounds of ground beef, 1 pound of chorizo sausage, 1.5 cups of pinto beans, 2 packets of taco seasoning mix, a half of a white onion chopped, 1 Roma tomato chopped, half of a bell pepper chopped, taco blend shredded cheese, and taco shells. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alrighty guys, so first we're going to begin by grabbing our frying pan. We're going to set it on medium-high heat, and we're going to add a little bit of oil. Once our oil heats up, we're going to throw in our onion, along with our bell pepper. And we're going to cook them for 3 minutes. Alright, so after 3 minutes, we're going to throw in our tomato. And now we're just going to cook it for another minute. Alright, so after the minute, we're going to throw in our sausage chorizo. And now we're just going to break it down. Alright, so once we have broken down our chorizo, now we're going to throw in our ground beef. And to that, I'm only going to add a little bit of garlic salt. So now break down the ground beef. Okay, now just mix everything together and let that cook. Alright guys, so after 4 minutes, this is what our meat should look like. So at this point, you can drain the fat. And now we're going to add our pinto beans. Mix them. Okay, now we're also going to add our taco seasoning mix. Along with 1.5 cups of our pinto water. So now we're just going to mix it. And now reduce the heat to low-medium. We're going to cover it and let that cook for another 5 minutes. Alright, so at this point we're going to get our taco shells ready. So just follow the instructions on the box. So I have my oven preheating to 325 degrees. I'm just going to lay them on my baking sheet. Put them in the oven for 7 to 8 minutes. Alrighty guys, so after 5 minutes, our taco meat is ready. And you can try it for salt and see if you want to add any. For me, it's perfect. So now we're just going to wait for our taco shells and then we can prepare our delicious tacos. Alright, so after 7 minutes, our taco shells are ready. So now we are ready to put our tacos together. Alright, so now I'm just going to stuff my taco. So add enough meat, just like that. Then I'm going to top it with my cheese. I'm just going to repeat the same process to my tacos and then we can top them with our favorite toppings. Alright, so now I'm just going to top it with my lettuce. And I mix it with sour cream and a little bit of salt and black pepper. I'm just going to top it like that. So I'm going to add some roasted chiles, some tomatoes, and of course, some salsa. Alright, so now we are ready to enjoy our super easy and delicious ground beef and chorizo tacos. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this is one of my kids' favorite tacos. They're so simple to make, super easy. In less than 20 minutes, you got some delicious tacos. And let me tell you, that's gonna be better than anything that's out there. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy them just as much. They're perfect for a busy day. So cheers and enjoy. Seriously, the best. The meat, The chorizo, the beans is just perfect. It's so flavorful. Hope you give them a try and enjoy them. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make my super easy and delicious ground beef and chorizo crunchy tacos. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.